And is there one pitch that you're still waiting to hear? Is there one pitch that you think someday somebody is going to come up to me and give me that dream pitch that I've been waiting for my whole career?
Well, a lot of things are going through my head with that question. One is, yeah, I'd like to do teleportation, and I'd love for somebody to figure out how I can teleport from one place to another. I guess Zoom can do that. Skype could do that. But
and weren't you an early investor in Skype?
I was an early investor in Skype, first investor in Skype. So that's one thing, but I mean, entrepreneurs solve the big problems of the earth, and I think weather, whether you call it climate change or whatever, that's going to be a big one. Some creative mind out there is going to put up an umbrella outside of our atmosphere during noontime so that it's a little cooler during noon, and then it'll just move around the earth. Who knows what it is, but something's going to make it a little cooler here, or hotter, depending. I mean, I think we'll be able to moderate.
So weather manipulation.
Weather manipulation. I think there are major opportunities in AI, and as my son Adam says, AI is going to take all our jobs. And what that really means is everybody's job is going to be enhanced by AI. It's going to be better. And so I'm really looking forward to, short term, all the interesting applications for AI. And I think that's going to be really exciting.
Well, we are out of time, but Tim Draper, thank you so much. We barely scratched the surface of your career, but really interesting. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please give Tim a show of your appreciation.
My pleasure. And one thing I've got to say is I don't know if the Saudi people are I think they possibly are the nicest people on the planet. My partner and I got lost looking for a farm restaurant way out there in the middle of nowhere. And we just walked into somebody's home, and we were just kind of, we thought, well, maybe this is it. There are a few cars here. And they said, come, welcome, have coffee, have dates. And then they said, sit. And I'm thinking, what? We're lost. But they were so delightful, and we got to know them. And so thank you, Saudi, for making me feel so comfortable, particularly since I've been traveling around the world for now 4 or 5 weeks. 5 weeks. And haven't been home. I'm feeling home here.